Aloha! Here are 2 ways to make a quick and easy meal for Kalua pork. Gotta have that side dish of rice every time you make Kalua pork. I love using Lotus Foods organic white quick cook rice. Making Lotus Foods rice will only take 10 minutes to cook and it will be perfect for Kalua pork. To make Instant Pot Kalua pork, brown all sides of the pork. Then add in water, liquid smoke, and Hawaiian salt. Close the Instant Pot and set it to pressure cook on high for 90 minutes. Shred the pork and pour any leftover juices. To make the oven roasted Kalua pork, score the bottom and top. Rub in the Hawaiian salt, then pour the liquid smoke. Cover and bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 to 4 hours. Remove from the oven and shred the pork. Serve with Lotus Foods hot white rice and enjoy it with any of your favorite luau side dishes.